My Fridge by Margie and Jimbo. Milk comes from cows. Cheese comes from milk. Hooray for cows! What do you see in the fridge? Chickens give us eggs. Eggs give you energy. Thank you, chicken. What do you see in my fridge? Fruit is colorful and really yummy. What kind of fruit is in the fridge? Some fruits are big and some are really tiny. What other fruit is in the fridge? Protein makes you super strong. What kinds of protein is in the fridge? Vegetables are your friends. You can call them veggies just for fun. What kinds of veggies do you see? Can you imagine a forest made of veggies? What else is in the fridge? Breads can be salty. Breads can be sweet. What's your favorite kind of bread? What kind of bread do you see in the fridge? The freezer is the coldest place in here. Brr! What do you see in the freezer? What do you have in the fridge at your house?